Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best track saws that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Festool TS55 FEQ-F-Plus-FS Track Saw. Meet the Festool TS55 FEQ-F-Plus-FS Plunge Cut Track Saw, a professional-grade precision saw designed for ultra-clean, accurate cuts in woodworking and panel materials. Priced at around $669, this is a premium tool aimed at professionals and serious woodworkers. It's expensive, but you're paying for accuracy, durability, and top-tier cutting performance. This track saw delivers smooth, splinter-free plunge cuts with its high-precision guide rail system. The 55-inch, 1,400mm rail ensures long, straight cuts with excellent stability. It features a powerful AC/DC motor system for consistent performance and compatibility with dust extraction systems, helping keep your workspace clean. The high-speed steel blade is built for durability and clean cutting through wood and sheet materials. Its plunge cut design allows you to start cuts in the middle of a workpiece, making it ideal for cabinetry, flooring, and furniture work. Festool's engineering also focuses heavily on control, safety, and repeatable precision, great for professional workshop use. Pros: extremely precise, clean cuts. High-quality build and durability. Excellent dust extraction compatibility. Smooth plunge cut mechanism. Cons: very expensive for casual users. Designed mainly for professionals. Requires compatible system for best results. Number 4. Volution Power Tools are 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit. Meet the Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Track Saw Kit, a versatile circular track saw designed to cut wood, plastic, and even metal with precision. Priced at around $180, this is a budget-friendly track saw kit that includes a 40-inch track and blade. It delivers strong value for DIY users and light professional work. This saw uses a powerful 7/1/4-inch TCT blade designed for multi-material cutting, allowing you to switch between wood, plastic, and metal without changing tools. It comes with a 40-inch guide track for straight, accurate cuts, making it ideal for sheet materials and long panels. The corded electric motor provides consistent power, so you don't lose performance during heavy cuts. Its multi-material cutting system uses Evolution's specialized blade technology to reduce sparks and heat when cutting metal. The design also includes adjustable depth settings and bevel capability, giving more flexibility for angled cuts and project work. Pros: cuts multiple materials, wood, metal, plastic. Affordable price for a track saw kit. Includes track plus blade in the box. Good power for DIY and workshop use. Cons: not as precise as premium professional systems. Heavier and louder than high-end track saws. Blade changes may be needed for best finish quality. Number 3. Makita SP6000J1 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. Meet the Makita SP6000J161/2 Plunge Circular Saw Kit, a precision track saw built for smooth, accurate, and professional-grade cutting performance. Priced at around $668.71, this is a premium toolkit aimed at serious woodworkers and professionals. It's expensive, but delivers high precision, reliability, and a full system setup. This saw features a powerful corded motor designed for consistent cutting performance, even under heavy load. The 6/1/2-inch blade delivers clean, precise cuts, especially when paired with the 55-inch guide rail included in the kit. It supports plunge cutting, allowing you to start cuts anywhere on the material, perfect for cabinetry, flooring, and furniture work. The adjustable speed control helps match cutting performance to different wood types and applications. It also includes bevel capability for angled cuts, and the stackable Makita toolcase makes storage and transport more convenient for job sites. Pros: extremely precise and smooth cutting performance. High build quality and long-term durability. Excellent guide rail system included. Adjustable speed and bevel control. Cons: expensive compared to mid-range saws. Corded design limits mobility. Primarily optimized for woodwork only. Number 2. Makita XPS01PTJ18VX2LXT Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. Meet the Makita XPS01PTJ18VX2LXT 36V Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit, a high-performance battery-powered track saw built for professional precision cutting. Priced at around $779.35, this is a premium cordless system. It's more expensive than corded options, but you get full mobility, brushless power, and professional-grade performance. This saw runs on Makita's dual 18V LXT battery system, delivering 36V brushless power for strong and consistent cutting performance. It uses a 6'1/2" blade designed for clean, precise plunge cuts in wood and sheet materials. The cordless design gives full mobility on job sites without needing a power outlet, making it highly convenient for field work. It supports guide rail compatibility, 39-inch rail sold separately, ensuring straight, accurate cuts for cabinetry and construction projects. The brushless motor improves efficiency, runtime, and overall tool life, while reducing maintenance needs. It also features bevel cutting capability for angled cuts and fine control over depth settings. Pros: fully cordless for maximum portability. Strong brushless 36V performance. High cutting precision with guide rail system. Excellent for professional job sites. Cons: very expensive, especially with rail sold separately. Guide rail not included in the kit. Heavier due to dual battery system. Number 1. Bosch GKT13-225L 6.5 inches. Precision track saw. Meet the Bosch GKT13-225L track saw, a professional 6.5-inch precision plunge saw designed for ultra-clean, accurate cutting performance. Priced at around $719, this is a premium corded track saw. It's built for professionals who want high precision, durability, and consistent cutting power. This Bosch track saw features a powerful corded motor that delivers steady performance for long, demanding cuts without battery limitations. The 6.5-inch carbide blade ensures clean and precise cuts in wood and sheet materials with reduced tear-out. Its plunge cut mechanism allows you to start cuts anywhere on the workpiece, making it ideal for cabinetry, flooring, and furniture projects. It's compatible with guide rail systems for perfectly straight, controlled cuts over long distances. The ergonomic design improves handling and control, while the included carrying case makes it easy to transport and store on job sites. Pros: excellent precision and smooth cutting performance. Strong, consistent corded power. High-quality build and professional durability. Great compatibility with guide rail systems. Cons: expensive compared to mid-range options. Corded design reduces mobility. Guide rail may not be included depending on bundle. If you're looking for a professional-grade track saw with Bosch reliability, check the link in the description for current deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tool reviews and comparisons.